Have a go at this one. Solve 3x plus 1 equals 19. I'll show the solution on the next slide. I'll start off by writing out the equation 3x plus 1 equals 19. It's now a case of writing the equation out but subtracting 1 from both sides, as you can see here. Clearly this plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0, so we're left on this side with just 3x. And of course this 19 minus 1 will become 18. So we can end up writing 3x equals 18. I like to think of subtracting 1 from both sides of the equal sign as getting rid of this, so we effectively isolate the 3x by itself, and we can see we've got 3x equals 18. Now I've got to get rid of the 3 in front of the x, and of course the way to do that is to divide 3x by 3, and so long as I divide the 18 by 3, we'll be fine. So 3x is divided by 3, and we have to now divide the other side by 3. 3x divided by 3 is x, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. We check our answer by turning to the original equation, and we replace the x with the 6, and of course we add the 1, and 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 1 we can see equals 19. And we look to the equation, we can see it agrees with this 19. Consequently, we know this x equals 6 is correct.